Two refreshing drinks from Old Delhi to intoxicate you this summer. Juicy watermelons, fragrant rose syrup and creamy milk flavored with love. Mohabbat ka Sharbat, a drink that will quench your thirst and fill your soul with love. Let's start gobbledygooking. Today, I have two assistants who are going to help me accomplish this Herculean task.
Hi, my name is Tiki. Hi, my name is Teacher.
And are you guys ready to start?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. So let's start by pouring the milk in the bowl.
Statue.
Tiki, you're going to add the syrup. Who wants to add the sugar?
Me.
Tiki, do you think you can add some ice?
Yeah.
Who wants to mix it?
Me. Have a drink, Teacher. Thank you. You're welcome. That's nice.
Here's a big juicy watermelon, fresh from the farmer's market, and we'll cut out a nice big slice from it. We need to make thin parallel cuts across the length of the fruit. And now I'll just move my knife along the length of the slice, chopping up small cubes along the way. And Tiki, scoop up the pieces and add to the bowl. You can never really have too much of watermelons, so I'll go ahead and add some more. Just a quick mix and it's time to pour this out. Pour out the drink in a glass with some ice cubes. Garnish with some watermelon cubes and a rose petal or two. Go ahead, try it out.
Really good.
Now we move on to our second drink, Nafrat ka Sharbat, or the drink of hate, but really that's just a name. It has nothing to do with hate. Are we ready, guys?
Well, I don't want to make a drink of hate, but sure. There we go. Just put a little bit on me.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, you're going to pour the sugar.
Lovely sugar rush.
So I have some saffron strands here, which I had soaked in warm milk. You could use yellow food color, but with kids, saffron is a better choice. Also, it adds some great flavor. Now, can you pour it? Who wants to mix it?
Me! Oh, I need a third.
Wow, that's a tornado in a bowl, Tiki. Go ahead and add some ice now.
Come here. Oh, yeah.
Plunk.
Clink. Ew.
I have an apple here and I'm using a golden apple, but you can use any apples of your choice. Regular red apples work just as good, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel this.
Whoa. Doing really awesome, Ma.
I'm using a fine grater here because my children don't like, big bits of apple in their mouth, but you can really use a grater that has a bigger mesh than this. You can use as much apple as you want. You can use the whole apple or less of it, depending on how thick you want the drink. Today I used up almost 3/4 of the apple.
Statue.
Okay, now add some chopped nuts.
Already.
This is a mix of almonds and pistachios that have been chopped fine. A little more. Okay, and let's just keep the rest for garnishing, okay? Finally, a little bit of vanilla essence. 2 to 3 drops should do it. You can give it a final whisk. Garnish with some chopped almonds and pistachios and a pinch of green cardamom powder. So which one did you like better?
The pink one.
And you?
The big one.
The pink one, is it because of the color or the taste?
The taste.
Well, I think that proves that it is really the Sharbat of love. Okay, that was it from us today. Next week I'll be back with another recipe. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.